5 major research lines, which are ischemic heart disease, mainly acute coronary syndrome, myocardial protection against ischemia and reperfusion injury, and prevention of left ventricular remodeling, which is the deformation of the heart after an infarction. Then we have a second line on aortic diseases, mainly aortic aneurysm and aortic dissection. Then vein disease with aortic stenosis in old people in particular, and then a group of myocardial and pericardial diseases, including cardiomyopathy and arrhythmias, which is a common complication that causes death in these patients quite often. We have also a line on familial and congenital heart disease, and all these scientific lines, scientific projects have common points, so that we have transversal research lines that intersect those projects and are common to all of them. And these include molecular and cellular biology, genetic aspects of the disease, new treatments and therapies, including cell therapy and regeneration, and epidemiological aspects of the disease and of the new treatments and the management of patients, including outcome research and evaluation of technologies. We had our best scientific production with more than 500 impact factor points. We had also some important publications, several articles in circulation, one article in Nature. Then we got funds for important projects that we are planning to carry out during the next years, and altogether was an important year for us because we obtained more funds than ever and had more publications than ever. Also, we succeeded in having patent with and also some agreements with a company to exploit that patent on a biomarker for acute coronary syndrome, and this is a very important point within a line which aims to transference to the society as a main strategy for our group. Our challenges for the next few years are, first, large clinical trials. We are involved in a number of clinical trials of a big complexity that we need to really develop successfully, and we need to put a lot of effort on those trials. Then transference to the society. There are other projects in which we are about to patent different molecules, and we should be able to do that and to transfer those molecules to the companies or whatever that are able to use them and to bring them to the society. So transference is our. Then we have at the basic level, we have a challenge, which is the introduction of our group in the new field of systems biology. Actually, we have been trying to do this during the last years, and we have projects funded for that purpose. But the idea is to observe things altogether, not in a particular and detailed view. We know a lot of details about biology, about how things work, but we need a perspective. So the systems biology approach, based on genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and bioinformatics, will allow us to get this perspective. And then we have some organizative challenges, which mainly our involvement in the Spanish network of cardiovascular disease research. We are the group that has the scientific direction of the network. I'm the scientific director. And also we are leading 2 of the 7 programs of this network, which is the program on ischemic heart disease and the program on aortic valve disease. These programs involve a lot of groups in Spain, and it is very complex to organize and carry out the projects successfully. So this is our main challenges for the next year. These are the scientific challenges of our group, but it would not be very honest to conclude here without saying that maybe in the present times our main challenge is to be able to get funds from other sources and to get new ways to fund our research under the cuttings we are experiencing in the health system and in the research system in our country. and we hope that we will be able to survive this crisis. And to do that, we need to put a lot of effort and enthusiasm during the following years.